Good evening. Let's make again another tutorial. Still a dress, and for tonight it's going to be Alexander McQueen mini dress. Is it Alexander McQueen? It's a plung neck. It's a plung neck mini dress, and it's just a kanang false pocket. It's not a real pocket. It's a false pocket with a slit both front and on the back. But first, let's make the concept. Let's draw first the full length. So I already drafted the front and back because para madali to be able to do it quickly in a short time. So I already drafted the front and back. So ang iyahang length is 32. Kay mini dress man siya, so 32. So here, and also you need to draft the back. Okay, so the hips length 32. So we're going to start from the front here. Sana mali. Okay, let's start from the step 1. So on both pieces, the front and back, so you will have to shorten lengthen the shoulder line outward from here to here, outward by 4 to 6 cm. So I'm gonna lengthen it by 5 cm in the middle. Okay, 5 cm. Is it visible ba yung back? Okay. So I'm siya buhaton sa back also. Let's draw. And you have to drop the new shoulder point by 2 cm. So this is your new shoulder point. I drop it by 2 cm. This one here. So when yung shoulder point, just use this hip curve. Hip curve. So I'm using my hip curve. Na. Pwede ba? Pwede naman. Ano lang siya para hindi siyang kuan. Gusto siyang pumahan. Na. And then drop also. So you're going also to drop your armhole by 2 to 4 cm. The armhole. So let's drop it by 2 cm. Both sides. And mo na siyang i-redraw. Redraw the armhole. Gamit ang gani. So redraw the armhole. Sa ato sa testingan. Kami pag-redraw. Ani. Okay. Ano siya? Okay. Sige. So using your French curve, so redraw mo ang imuhang armhole. Okay. Just like this one. And also the back piece. So now you have already your this part here, the shoulder. Let's move to dito sa ubos. So na naman kay you already have the length, which is 32 It depends on you. Basta kay mini dress na siya. This one here is 32. I think it's 32. Yeah, but it's a mini dress, so it's up to you. Okay? So first you have to flare the side. This one here, this is the side. Flare it by 4 to 8 centimeter on both pieces. So, which one should we use? Let's use 4 centimeter na lamang. 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter here for the back, and blend it to. So from the side, you have to blend it to 0 at waist. Good hips the eye, waist the eye. Okay. Ana. Sakay 0 siya sa kuan waist, okay? Blend it at 0 on waist. Na. Okay? Ha? Naklaro ba? Oh, yeah. Okay, so drop 1 to 2 centimeter in center back. The neckline there. 1 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Sige, 2 centimeter here. And widen by 2 to 4 centimeter in shoulder line to back and front. 2 centimeter also here. And also here. So we draw back neckline with the 2 new points. So ito na we draw neckline ha. So sa front neckline, you're not going to kanang deepen your front. You just have to redraw it connecting to the original center point, center neckline. Whatever. Kung di panulti. Okay. And sa imong back neckline, saan itong papilo? Ito dagandagan eh. So, for your back neckline also, you have to redraw with your new or 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter na lang, okay? 1 centimeter for the back neckline na lang di ay. And redraw. Okay, 1 to 2 cm. This is 2 cm. This is, pero itong gigamit 5 cm for the shoulder. And 2 cm for the drop. 2 cm here for the new armpit. And for the new darts, 2 cm also. But dili siya pointed. Okay? And 4 to 6 cm here. Okay. So now, naunsa naman eh. Nahuman na ta. So now, on the front, atong i-transfer ato ang kuan. Redraw. So we have to move our dart. So this one here, move to the side. 8 to 10 centimeter. From apex. Ba? Ayura. Dirata. Let's say 8 centimeter. Dirata. Okay. So we will move our dart here. 8 to 10 centimeter. Is it correct na ba? Correct. Okay. So this is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Is it too far? Or let's make it 10 centimeter. 8, 9. Okay, dito lang tas 9. Dito na lang tas 9, okay? So, I make it 9 centimeter from the side to move the kaning dart. So, this one here. Moving the dart. So, discard na siya. Disregard card. So, panang card diha. And redraw. And make it a little kuan. A little not siya. Mali. Ready. A little curve na lang. So this is your new singanan eh. Mukhang dark kay hindi naman siya kahit ano. Paano siya? Yung dark mo na siya. Your new dark would be here. Okay, so this is your new dart. And then siyang line. Okay, so now we have to draw naman the flap pocket. Bakit flap? Because it is a flap because it's like a kuan. It's like a false pocket. False pocket naman siya. So draw the flap 13 to 16 cm long and 4 to 5 cm wide with rounded bottom edge. So paano siya mag-drawing? So, ang flap pocket niya is something like here. From the waist, 2 cm. Pila to? Flap pocket. So, 13 to 16. 13 na lang ta. 13 to 16. Taas. Ano yung flap pocket eh. So, let's put our pocket here. Kung lower na siya, with ang atong pocket gibutang sa 5 cm. Dili lang ta 5 cm. Ano siya, ang atong pocket. So a little slant. Ano siya? And then 4 to 5 cm din ang iyang width. Ano siya? Yeah, i-draw na niyo siya with rounded. Rounded ang iyahang. Hold on, oy. Ang tanalabad ani. Ako ra bagyang pocket. Rounded bottom edge. This one here. So dili ra. Kapangit ba ay? Takay rounded iyang bottom edge ana. Is it too slant? No? Dapat anak lang siya. Sige, that's enough na. And I could catch you. Okay, so let's prolong the line, the eye of the dart. This one. So this is our new dart. So from here, from the dart here, sa ato na sa gamit is the line color. So you have to measure 46 cm on each side. 4 to 6 cm on each side, and yeah, you're going to connect this point to dart bottom apex. This one here. So we're going to add 4 na lang, and also 4 here, 8. Okay. So this side here will be on the center front. Na center front, and this one here on the side front. Na lang siya. Basta kayo mag-add ka diha og kuan. Basta kayo when you cut that part, remember to cut also this one to add the 4 cm. So this is for the front, and let's cut the front. Okay? Mag-cut sa tas front. So saan itong unahon? This one here. Sige, mag-add ta. And also, on this side also. Good. What about the ruler? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter here. At the 4. And then 4 centimeter here. Nada. So our front is finished. So here's our front. All we have to do is to draw the... Kaya ba? Pwede mo siguro ni? Let's draw the pocket ko na ba? Well, pwede na yung pocket. Na siya. Be, sakto ba? Ana. And position like this. This one. Ana lang. Oh, see, that is your pocket. Sa back, itong i-draw ang yahang kaning sa back is yung dart is 5 centimeter, 5 inches long. 4 to 5, pwede na, 4 inches. Pwede. Kani siya 5 ni siya. Okay? For the back, we have to reduce the back waist dart by 1 centimeter na lang. And transfer it, take them in from center back. And then you have to transfer the, since this is 2 centimeter. And, saan mali ito? Ano? So we have to reduce it by 1 centimeter. So it means that 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, sorry, 0.0. And then transfer it on the center back. And then you start to draw it. So to draw 10 to 12 centimeter below nape point from here, you have to measure 10 centimeter, 10 to 12. Okay, 10 to 12. So let's use the 10 centimeter. And then you have to blend. Blending to 0 at hips. Okay, you have, ano ba itong gamiton? Straight ra. And then you have to draw your, ano siya? Okay. To here. And then blend it to 0 at hip. So this is kuan mo ni yung hips there. Hips nimo, so blend it here. Blend it to 0. Or draw. So this is your back. This is your back and this is your, so your new dart will be 1 centimeter na dire. Okay? 1 centimeter tanan. So, i-reduce naman mo. Okay. So, mana? And, okay, before I forgot, for your front, kuhaan man siya, sa itong center front. So, for your neckline, plung neckline, just measure kuhaan na lang. For your deep ba? Deep, the depth of your neckline on the underbust. So, measure at least 2 centimeter here, 2 meter, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or 2 inches. Just make a test. This is on the underbust. Uy! So, you're going to open this one. This one will be open, and this part here will be stitched. So, you're going to cut the front 2 piece here. This is, kuan ba yan? Mag-cut na ta. Just wanna check my kuan. Tingnan iyahang back back shoulder. Mana ba ko instruct? So, clear na ba ito tanan? Okay. La 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 la. Oh! Oh no, I almost forgot. Pwede ay. So, mauna ni. Oh, so, mauna siya. Finish na. Finish na. Okay. Yeah. So, your pattern is ready. So, now our pattern is ready. Okay, so for the back, you have to cut 2 pieces. For the back, 2 pieces. For the side front, where's the side front? This is the side front, and you have to cut side front panel, 2 pieces. And this is the flap, you know, the pocket. You have to cut 4 pieces for the top and bottom layer for left and right flap. And for the center front, cut 1 piece on fold, or to separate with the center front seam. Yeah. Well, I think it's better to cut this kuan 2 piece to separate with us kuan with a center front seam para sa kuan diri ba kanibang for the unsa may butang diri facing. Yeah, just cut it to or cut 2 piece or 1 piece on fold, okay? 2 piece with center seam, or you can cut it on fold. Okay? Okay. That's kuan be. Ito siyang i. What did you eat? What are you eating, ha? Kawrong iruwa ka. You're so bad, ha? Pakuan biyo ni siya. Ano mo na siya naka-open. And let's close the dart. Nag-lisod na lang ko. So, this is the dart. You just have to close this one. Ayaw pa din siya kuha idiri. Mga di ay. Hala. All you have to do is close the dart. No. Okay. Okay. Ito siya kuha ng diri. Ang pagkat. Okay. Huwag siya matarang og cut. I didn't cut it kuan. So, it should be kuan di ay. So, that was correct di ay. Mao. Ano siya. Ang pag-cut ito ha. Was wrongfully cut. Okay. So, kalisod. Anem si ito ay mal. Nara. And also, ano siya, overlap ni siya diri kay slit man ni. So naka-overlap ni. Overlap man siguro diri no? Or like this one style. No? Or kuan ka lang here, you have to stitch until here. No? Nag-overlap mo na siya, nag-ana na. So ana na siya. So ano na siya? Okay, so we already finished it. The front and back. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Lahat ba ni? Tapot pa ni? Tapot pa ba ni? Hey, so why are you eating the paper? My goodness. My dog is eating the paper. Why, oh why? Okay, so for the original katong design, okay, for the other design, I think it has an overlap. Let's try to figure out that one. Okay, let's try the other design with the kanang something like slit here. So for the kaning right side panel, you're going to add I think we have to measure 15. Same on the back panel, 15 I think for the height. So here, and 4 centimeter also. Okay, so add na lang nato here. Pwede ba? I don't have a paper na. 4 centimeter. Let's see kung maka-add pa ba ta. Ano na lang. So you're going to add 4 centimeter on the left side panel. The other one is kung to siya, close to siya diri. It has a close here, stitch all the way here. But the other one, the other design, as I have said, it has kanang overlap. Tas mura siya slit po ba? Style ninja, design ninja, slit. So here, na. So, isang ikuan. What you are going to do, ano ni, awan siya additional. I am removing the kuan ha. So what you're going to do is to close this part here, stitch hanggang dito. So it will look like this. You see? So you have to stitch the skirt, the side, I mean the dart na wala nang nakatuhong through the hanggang sa up to the slit here. So this is the slit. So you're going to close here, stitch them together up to the slit. Mana siya. So your other design is something like this. You see? With an overlap front. With a slit on the front. Na siya. Diba? Okay, so that's all. So you have two designs for the skirt. The one has kanang A-line. And I also kuan kanang scene kanang napot to siya slit gamay diri. A little bit of slit here for the other design. Okay, so that's it. Time to the day. Oh yes, here's the back. And here's the front. Slit. Thank you.